Okay, so if you can see in the middle of the screen, the backhoe is working. And they will then come over here in this road. It goes down here. I'm just going to break this off right now. Okay. And this is where the road's going to come. It's going to come right up this hill. And then right up that hill there. And then one house goes that way and the other house goes that way. So that's going to happen maybe tomorrow's Sunday, though they don't work. At least the backhoe doesn't work, but possibly whoa. Whoa. So you can see it is quite the trees with the X on it, those are actually fruit. One's a fruit tree and one's just a thing that they eat as well. And so we'll dig those up and move them. And then we'll just take this and fill it right up. Make a beautiful smooth slope that comes all the way down here. So this is documenting what this looks like right now, because in a couple of days, this is going to look completely different. There will be absolutely no resemblance. And down there is where we're going to have the lake. Oh, it's going to be too much. Okay, so anyways, up there is that one house that they're clearing at. Looks beautiful. Really looks beautiful. And now everything is much clearer, as a lot of it's been cut away to show what we've actually got. And what we have is completely different than what I thought we had. And that it's actually 10 times better. So here, this is as far as she's gone so far. And then you can see this is where the ravine, which is, when it rains, this thing just will sort of like a river, but now it's going to be a lake. But right at this point here, you see where this big tree is right there. This is where the road is going to branch off, and we're going to take it right across the ravine. Right across, and they're going to I'm going to build a house right up in there. Okay, I'm going to climb the mountain today. I don't know where I'm getting all this energy from. I thought I was way too tired after last night's blackout. And just to show you over here how this is looking. Wow. And this is also going to be this is also going to be filled with water in the rainy season. And I hope it stays there. And you can see they built this beautiful wall. A block tini, suway mat, huh? Tom, huh? Cup, this is beautiful. Up to now, there's been a culvert at the very bottom to move the water through to the other side. But what we're doing is we're going to block that up. We're going to raise these blocks that are there about a meter, even 2 meters. No, a meter and a half, something like that, to get it to the same height as the road. and then block all the water from leaving, so it's going to fill right up like a beautiful lake. And we'll throw fish in it. Need pla, man? Some pla? Do you need some pla?
ปลามีฟิวไม่บอกวันเลี้ยปลาไม่มีแล้วนะ
Okay, bye for now.
ปลาธรรม